During this video, at any time that you may need to, feel free to pause the video to perform each step and return to get the best results.
How to clean sound tubes and ear domes. Step 1. Remove sound tube. Step 2. Remove ear dome from the sound tube by inverting ear dome and pulling straight off. Step 3. Insert the wire through the base of the sound tube. Step 4. Thread wire through tubing base and out the tip. Step 5. Brush microphone and ear dome. Clean daily. Step 6. Reattach the sound tube. Turn base of tube clockwise so it is flush with the body. For optimal performance, proper care and maintenance are imperative. In addition to regularly cleaning your tubing and tips, you should also replace them every 3 months. Over time, these items wear out and may become stiff, affecting both fit and sound quality.
With over a decade of experience, we hope that you will agree with 120,000 and counting other Americans that say Autophonics hearing aids are a smart and affordable choice. Take care, and please don't hesitate to reach out to our US-based 5-star customer care team at 704-380-0508 or email us at info@autophonics.com. Take care.